Why does your scanner show the P0480 engine code? And what does it mean? P0480 is a diagnostic trouble code for cooling Fan 1 control circuit malfunction. The P0480 engine code indicates that the powertrain control module, PCM, or engine control module, ECM, has detected a problem with the vehicle's cooling fan. This means that the cooling fan's control circuit is malfunctioning. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Fan control relay, cooling fan, temperature sensor, electrical connections, wiring harness, a C-selector switch, speed sensor, battery, fuse, PCM. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Chrysler, Ford, Chevrolet, Dodge, Jeep, and GMC vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.